So we've been hired by NFL as consultants to help promote the Super Bowl. So we're going to look at the entertaining aspects of the Super Bowl and try to figure out what is the best parts of the Super Bowl and what can be improved upon. And so the reason why NFL has brought us on is because we want to create more hype for next year's Super Bowl and really demonstrate the entertainment value of the Super Bowl to the networks that have to bid on the Super Bowl contract. We're going to show that users love watching Super Bowl commercials and they actually want advertisements rather than flipping through the channel when it happens. And we're also just going to provide an entertainment platform to really increase the success and awareness when it comes to the Super Bowl. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to create user-generated content. Some things that we have in mind as consultants is to create top 5 compilation videos. So there's really entertaining advertisements, so we want to show the top 5 videos, top 5 commercials that we feel were the best this year. And we also want to do top 5 plays that both the Seahawks have done and also the Patriots. And we're going to use these unique videos to actually create hype, and we're going to try to spread them around the internet through Facebook, Twitter, and other social media sites and see what kind of hype we can create. So in gist, that's what we have. We are proposing to the NFL is to create a YouTube video, a YouTube channel. So we're going to perform some analytics on the YouTube videos that we post to give data to NFL to see what types of content their users are most interested in. And we'll also use that data to increase the relevancy of the videos we create on for YouTube. So if, for example, really great passing plays is more popular than top 5 running plays, we're definitely going to promote more of that type of content and create more of that content for our YouTube channel. And we're going to turn around and tell the NFL what is most favored. So when they make commercials to hype up games, they're going to show really great Hail Mary passes rather than Marshawn Lynch running down the field, breaking tackles, things like that. And so we think that our YouTube videos will create relevant data for both NFL and the YouTube channel. So that's kind of what we have in mind. We're going to do regression analysis to see if the topic of the videos we post statistically influences how popular it becomes, and we're going to use page views, comments, and likes or dislikes as our metrics to determine what types of videos are most successful.
Finally, we're going to analyze the trends in Twitter, Facebook, and other social media about the Super Bowl. We went to analyze the trending topics during the first quarter, the second quarter, and along all this game. Maybe we are able to identify some paths, some words that the retailers or advertiser can use for the next World Super Bowl, trying to promote the brand and create awareness with this game. Also, we're going to analyze the trends and other statistics about the game, try to compare it with the last year and other Super Bowls. And finally, we want to analyze the top 5 players in different positions, just to bring awareness to the people.
In addition to the YouTube channels and the YouTube videos that we're going to make, we really want to actually decide where the most popular aspects of the Super Bowl are. Doing so will allow us to increase the profit that the NFL makes, as well as the network channel that's hosting the Super Bowl. By using user-generated content on social media, whether it's on the internet, Twitter, Facebook, even LinkedIn, any aspect of the Super Bowl, we can use Google Trends, we can use Google Correlate, and we can find the most important aspects of the Super Bowl to the end viewers. So we can see if it's the first quarter that's the most important to them, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. They may be the most interested in the halftime show, possibly. Who knows? They could even watch the commercials more than they even watch the game, depending on who the viewer is. I know a lot of people who simply watch the Super Bowl because they love the commercials. And that can also lead us to other aspects of the Super Bowl. How can we increase not just the viewers of the Super Bowl, but how can we increase each individual advertising slot that companies pay for within the Super Bowl? By using the content that end users put on the internet, we can find out the areas that have the most eyes on the television at one time. and how we can use that to really increase the revenue and increase the profit that the NFL is making.